Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Another box came in the mail today. I'm kind of excited about this one. I hope you guys will be too. It's a cool budget knife that has been a favorite of mine in the past, but a new version of it. So first thing real quick, I want to say thank you to the channel members, and thank you to any of you who found your way into this video to check it out. All I'd ask, if you get the time and you're so inclined, if you'd hit that subscribe button down there and that bell notification icon, really help me out, and it'll keep you updated when I release content, which is all the time. So I'm going to use my Amazon unboxing knife, little titanium flipper. And guys, one of my problems is I have too many utility knives. It's one of my little issues. Make sure I don't dox myself. We got peanuts. All right. So can y'all guess what we have here? This is CIVIVI. I saw this on GPKnives, I think it was. Hold on, let me see who I got it from. Yeah, GPKnives. I look at, as you guys might or might not know, I spend a lot of time browsing Amazon and browsing my favorite retailers' sites. I don't have any affiliation with GPKnives, don't have any affiliate links with them, but do buy knives from them quite often, and we'll link this knife down below, although you can get it at other retailers like White Mountain Knives, where you can use Javon 10. But this one I bought at GPKnives because that's where I saw it. And just so you guys know, and I know you guys are familiar with my unboxing knife. Not my unboxing knife, duh. One of my size comparison knives, the CIVIVI Baby BANTER. And if you've seen my review on it, I'm a big fan. Even got a new sticker. How about that? The oldest sticker. I got this sticker when I first started collecting knives again. The Elementum was one of my first knives. Looks like the cleaning cloth game or the wiping cloth is being upped. This is kind of newer from the last time I got a CIVIVI. Let me take a look at that. But what I'm interested in is the knife. So, I'll have to get the box again. We'll look at it and see which one I got. Include that sticker in one of the giveaways. Alright, so what I could tell right off the bat is the Micarta is totally different. It's like a burlap micarta. Again, this isn't a review. This is just an overview. This is the black burlap micarta handle. I wish it didn't have gold studs, but you know, what are you going to do? It's perfectly centered. The clip looks identical. The body looks identical with the exception of that burlap micarta looks and feels really good. And this is a reversible clip. And it is a Wharncliffe. And I like it. Let's see how slicey it is. Again, this is not a review. This is just a unboxing. But I imagine this Wharncliffe point is very slicey. It'll be great for those detail cuts, but also a really good slicer. It's very oily. Let's do this. One of my long ass hairs. Yeah, I don't know why I picked, I guess it was the Micarta, because guys, as you might imagine, this knife is available in every color combination, G10 finish under the sun. Literally overwhelming. So I've always been a big fan of the baby Banter. I was a big fan of the wee Banter. I think the wee Banter was my first wee knife, one of my first above $100 knives, and I really liked it. So the baby Banter, even though I wasn't that much into buying budget knives anymore, just because my collecting had changed, I always loved it, and it's one that has always stayed in my collection and always will. I think I gave one away. I had a purple G10 one I gave away, and I immediately replaced it. And when this came out, I did not expect the Micarta to be different, but it looks really good. I'll tell you something else. No, it always had T8s, I guess, because Ben Peterson, as you guys may or may not know, NAFCO, designed the baby Banter and the Banter, and that is his stamp, WUG, what's up guys. And this one is in Nitro-V, which this one's in. So the only difference is my my original Banter is a drop point, has more belly, and I'll get you dimensions and we'll do a little closer comparison. One thing I'm noticing too is the scales, where they're flat on my OG Banter, on this baby Banter they're contoured. So it actually feels a little better in the hand. I might be colorblind, but those studs look gold to me. They're bothering me. But anyway, I'll get over it. Guys, try to break this in, use it for a while. I have a feeling it will be a package opening machine and just a slicing beast. Flat grind, tall flat grind. But you guys saw it is very slicey. The grind looks very even. You've got a really nicely done sharpening choil there where it comes down. I don't know if you guys can see that. Liner lock, thumb flick, reverse flick. I really like the look of the Micarta, and it's just a great little knife. I'm glad to add it to the collection. But the news is that means I had to make room in my case. So the giveaway knife for Friday Night Flicks, which will be, this is Wednesday when I'm recording this, the general subscriber, you guys that hang out in the chat, I'm going to give away my Pony Stout because I've got to make room for this. So anyway, I appreciate you all. I hope you found this video entertaining and informative, and I appreciate you being here. And guys, Friday Night Flicks is what I'm talking about. It's a live stream I do every Friday night, 8:15 Central. So if you're new to the channel and just dropping through, I'd love to have you drop in Friday night. If you subscribe, you'll get updates when I post different community reminders and things like that. But I love each and every one of you, and all I ask is please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Whoops. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.